Hello friends, how are you? Every Wednesday at 5:30 am I post a gardening video. Friends, if you like my videos, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. In this video, we are going to see 25 tips to grow tomato successfully. Choose a fast maturing variety. You will be eat first ripe tomato in 60 days. If you have some tomato plants, you can grow additional plants by cutting. Take 10 to 15 cm cutting and directly stick them into the soil. It should be kept in the semi-shaded area for a week. In this method, you can harvest tomatoes quickly. Laying thin tomato slices on the top of a pot filled with potting soil, covered with more soil and water, is an easy way to grow tomatoes. In this way, the flesh and gel of tomato can harbor bacteria or fungal disease. If you want to grow tomatoes successfully, pick up the seeds from the fruit, sow these seeds and grow your tomatoes successfully. When transplanting, choose healthier seedlings only. To get a bumper tomato crop, you need to provide enough room for the plant. When planting your tomato, plant them deep because tomato form roots all along any buried portion of the stem, and this makes a stronger plant. Adding crushed eggshells to your potting soil can boost calcium naturally and prevent blossom end rot. So, all the flowers convert into fruit. Your plant will need support to grow strongly, otherwise the plant will flop on the ground. Do not use the black colored pots. It will heat up the soil and cause the roots to burn and produce small number of fruits. Add some earthworm into the container each time you transfer the tomato seedling into the large container. These cute worms do wonders in the garden. Remove weeds while they are young. If not, they steal water and nutrients from the soil. When the plant is about 8 to 10 inches in height, it will bring out small buds which will blossom into cute yellow flowers. Now, you must add any organic fertilizer like well-aged manure or compost into the soil. If your plant have curled yellow or decayed leaves, remove all such foliage first. This will help prevent major infestation. You can use neem oil or organic spray to control the common pest. Pick leaves around the tomato when they have reached full size. Now all the tomatoes get sunlight and ripen quickly. Use liquid fertilizer to increase crop production and for the healthy growth of plants. Tomatoes are heavy feeders. Add plenty of manure into the potting mix before you plant the seedling. If any plant is dead or decay, remove the plant from your garden and burn it or throw it away. It may contain a disease or an insect that could spread to other plants. Watering the plants in the morning help them grow well in the day with sunlight. Watering the evening will be beneficial for pests and bacteria which feed on the moisture on the plant. Store seeds from your favorite varieties, different types of seeds for next season. Planting different crops in the same plot to improve soil health, optimize soil nitrogen, and to control the pest. Tomatoes need at least 8 hours a day of sunlight to produce fruit. So, finding the sunniest spot of your garden and plant them. When watering the plants, always apply enough water. Water again when the surface of the soil is dry. When watering heavily, it runs out of the drainage hole. It can leach out nutrients and not taken by plants. Finally, crop yield will be reduced. Spread a thin layer of mulch on the top of the soil around the plant to keep the soil at a more consistent temperature. Homegrown tomatoes are juicier and more flavorful than store-bought one. So, always use organic pesticide and fertilizer. They are good for your health and environment. Thank you.